In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated photo collage here in Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To create an animated photo collage, let's go to templates here and we are going to type into the search bar here, animated photo collage, and we are going to search this. From here, you can browse all these options, all those beautiful options it brought for you. Anyone that catches your attention, any vibe you're going for, you can just browse through it and select the one that works for you. You can see this animation is playing. Let's hover around this. You can see how this one animated. There's another one that caught my attention at the beginning. You can see this one. So let's pick this photo collage. So you're going to pick this one and we'll go over to customizing the template. Quickly, for this text, since we're entering into 2026, I'm going to click on it and make sure it's selected and click on these three dots. And I will scroll down here and go to info and I will scroll down to see more like this. You see there are more text. You see all these options we'll have here. I'm just going to click on this 6 and just pull it into the tray. Yeah, just like so. I didn't move anything around and you will start replacing your pictures. Let's go over to my pictures and let me start replacing them. You can start dragging your pictures and placing them into whichever image you want to place them into, just like so. You can start replacing your pictures like so. And if you want to edit a picture further, you can double tap on it and drag this down like so. Or if you want to edit it again, you can click on it and come over here where it says crop. It does the same thing and drag this down. And if you want to change the background, you can click on the background and ask Canva to give you a magic background. We're going to allow it give us a magic background. You see, we have all these background options to select from. Whichever one that catches your attention, you can just go into them and see which one that works with your vibe properly. I think I like this one the most. You're going to let it be. And now we have a different background. Once you're happy with that, let's click on any image. If you want to change the way it animates or see how it's animating, you can go into animate and you see what kind of animation it has. If you click into the page to check if the page has an animation, you can see the animation the page has. That is a fade animation. If you want to change this animation into something else, let's see. If you want to change it into, you can actually switch your animation around like so. You can switch things up. Once you're happy with everything, you click on share here and click download to export your video either as an MP4 if you want to post this as a video, which is actually great, or if you want to just post it as an image, you can just click on PNG and download it. Just something to know that once you download as PNG, it will not play the videos. Let me know if you have any question. Do have a good one.